up, YouTube? It's that kid Lay. I'm back with another video, and this is the first video me packaging my slime orders, and I'm gonna show you guys what this lady have ordered. Lady had ordered 10 jars with 10 containers. And this is the box I'll be putting it in. This is a video of how I package my orders and business cards. And yeah, so guys, this might be a little short video. And I have gloves on. So, sorry for all the loud noise, but just sit back and relax. Watch the video. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have 10 jars. Next, I'm gonna take my business card and I'm gonna just put it in here. I'm gonna put it right there, and then bubble wrap. I'm gonna bubble wrap all of this. I need to put the camera down, so I'll see y'all when I bubble wrap it. Alright, y'all, so once I have my bubble wrap in here, and next I add some confetti just to make it cute, or paper, and I just sprinkle it on top. I'm actually doing this with one hand. I'm just going to use the white. And yeah, and that's all. That's how I do it. And then we're just gonna close this. I'm on the phone. That off. And then next, I'm gonna get the tape. Alright, so I have part of the tape on. I'm just gonna put it down. Some more. Some on my nails. I can see y'all when the tape is on. Alright, y'all, so I have tape on. And next, I'm going to take one of my sticker labels and put it right inside the box. Should I put it in the middle, Myra? I got my sister Myra recording.
Yeah.
And bam, y'all. This is the final. Yep. That's how I package my slime orders, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put the link on my website in my bio. My description down below. And the reason why I'm whispering because my dad is in the room asleep. So yeah, and all you have to do, put the shipping label on. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next video.